Hello guys, this is Harnish and you are watching Technical Creations. So, in this video, I am going to show you how does an hydraulic bridge work. It is the hydraulic bridge means the bridge which works completely with water. It opens and closes just with water. No electricity is needed. So this is the hydraulic bridge, which is completely made out of cardboard, and I have just used four syringes. The two of them are here and the remaining two are stick to this bridge with the pillar. So I have just used four syringes and two of the pipes for conduction of water. And in this in this video I'm just going to show you how the hydraulic bridge work, not the actual making of the bridge. I will make sure that to make another video in which I will be showing how you can make this hydraulic bridge at home very easily. So let us start our actual video. So as I told you earlier that it is a hydraulic bridge completely made out of cardboard. These are supporting pillars and these are the bridges which will open and close with the help of water movement. Suppose it's an ocean and this is the land. If a ship or any big water transportation vehicle wants to pass through the ocean or any river and there is a bridge, then what we will do, we will make it like in the way that it will open and close whenever needed. So see, just these are the piston of the one of the syringe, and I am just pulling those pistons. See, the bridge is slowly closing. It is because of the movement of the water. Now the bridge is closed. But when I will push the pistons of the two syringes which are stick on the land, the bridge will open. It is because the movement of water. You can see that the two pistons which are sticked with the bridge and the supporting pillar are filled with water, completely filled with water, and the pipes which are connected to them are also filled with water. But if we talk about this, the remaining two strings, they are completely vacuum. No amount of water or air is present in them. So whenever I will pull the pistons of the strings, the water will come here and they will create vacuum in this strings. And I have connected the piston of the strings with the bridge and the remaining part with this supporting pillar. So if I will pull the piston, then this bridge will slowly come down because of the movement of the water. So in this way the hydraulic bridge work. So thank you guys, thanks for watching this video, and make sure that make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest updates.